Hey ladies, I'm on my way to work this morning. My son Carson is filming me, so if I'm looking off, I'm driving. Anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that, show you the lipstick I have on today. First, it's Fire and Ice lined, and then Summer Love, I think, or New Color, or Summer Fun. I can't remember whichever one that just came out with Summer Treat, but I think it's neat. I think Gay Lang several months ago, maybe last summer, had a picture of this on her Facebook, and I loved it. But I was going to let you girls know that, I've always talked about being oily, that was my my deal with skincare in the past. I've tried everything, and everything just made me more oily until Senegence, and that's why, aside from the long-lasting ability it has to stay on, was the fact that I could wear it and it didn't make me oily, or any more oily than what I was. It actually helped. So I went through a weird process with my skin the other day. I've been on Senegence wearing the skincare and the makeup for about a little over a year, and I went from normal to oily skincare, to oily to acne skincare, and back to normal to oily skincare. And recently, the other day, my skin went through a really weird process. I had a kind of like a peeling all over my face. I mean, I could just rub it and it would skin would just come off. And then after that, it kind of felt tender for a few days. And then all of a sudden, my skin was dry. So I had to switch, believe it or not, I had to switch from the normal to oily to the normal to dry. Along with the climate control, and I was still dry. So I was really panicked. I just didn't know what the deal was. But I can say that after a few days, my skin was so flawless and had not been this way. I mean, can tell the difference, since I started using Senegence, but just even more so than normal. Really smooth looking, and I could just really see a major difference. So now, the last couple of days, I'm back to using my normal to oily, and my skin is back to normal. But I just wanted to let you know that your skin is going to go through many processes. It may, wearing these products, but don't freak out. Just keep on wearing them, and you're going to see that what it's doing is correcting your skin. That it's actually changing your skin, sloughing off that old dead skin, and that new skin is coming to the surface. So I just wanted to let you know, if there's weird changes with your skin, just keep on, tweak it a little bit. Joni always says, pay attention to your skin, and just do that. And I promise, if you'll stick it out, you'll see. You've already seen a difference, and you'll continue to. So y'all girls have a good day. Thanks.